Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick but super useful tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge layers in Figma, a foundational skill that will save you tons of time and help you stay organized, whether you're designing a brand new app interface or just sketching out some icons. By the end of this video, you'll know how to easily combine shapes and layers in Figma, so your designs stay neat, efficient, and ready for the next creative step. Let's jump right in and get started together. First things first, make sure you're signed in and have your Figma file open. If you haven't already, head over to Figma.com and open up your working document or start a new one. The merging process we're about to cover works the same whether you're in a personal project or collaborating in a team file, so no worries there. Now, to actually see how merging works, we're going to add a shape. Click on the Shape tool in the top bar. Let's choose a simple rectangle or an ellipse for this example, but feel free to follow along with any shape you like. Just click and drag on the canvas to create it. This will give us something to work with, and you'll be able to see every step as it happens. Once you've got your shape, we want to duplicate it so we have two identical layers to merge. A quick way to do this in Figma is to select the shape, then either press Command or Ctrl+D on your keyboard or right-click and choose Duplicate. You'll now see two copies stacked perfectly on top of each other. If you accidentally duplicate more than once, no stress, you can always delete extra copies. The reason we duplicate here is so we can practice merging two layers, which is super common if you're building up a complex icon or combining shapes for a logo. Next up, it's time to rotate the second shape. With the duplicate still selected, look for the Rotate tool above the canvas, or just hover your mouse near a corner until you see the curved Rotate icon. Click and drag to rotate it, or type 180 into the rotation field in the Properties panel. This flips the second shape upside down, creating a nice visual distinction between the two. This step helps you see the results of merging a bit more clearly. Think of it as prepping your ingredients before you begin cooking. If the shapes overlap just a little awkwardly, that's okay. It won't matter for this demonstration. Now the magic moment, we're going to merge or flatten these two layers into a single one. Click and drag to select both shapes at once. Make sure both are highlighted. If you have trouble, hold down Shift and click each one separately. With both selected, right-click anywhere over the selection and look for an option called Flatten. Go ahead and click it. What's happening here is Figma takes both shapes and combines them into a single flattened layer, which you can now move, color, or adjust as a single object. This is especially helpful when you want to edit a merged icon or send your assets for export without juggling a pile of separate layers. And just like that, you've merged two layers in Figma. It's a small trick, but it makes a big difference when you're organizing your files or prepping them for the next step of your design workflow. Remember, the flatten command is your friend whenever you want to combine shapes and keep your layers tidy. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Got any questions or maybe a Figma feature you want me to cover next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love chatting with you all. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.